Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and find the option called the system. Tap on it, then scroll down, find the option called time and tap on it. And here we have the time format option. Tap on it and we can select 12-hour format and 24-hour format. Select the one you like. And once you're done, you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.